There are so many trading platforms out there. Knowing the one that has the right features for you is quite a challenging task. But in my opinion, TradingView is the best platform to analyze charts out there. The reason why I like TradingView so much is because of simple business interests. Many brokers make money when you lose money. I'm not saying all brokers do this, but many do. And so, from their point of view, while they want to increase your performance by providing better functionality and better tools so you can make more money. Whereas charting platforms such as TradingView make their money by having ads and by providing the best charts available. And so they make money by giving the traders better tools so they can make more money. So more users will adopt their platform and pay for their premium services. Would you trade using a charting software that isn't designed in your best interests? The answer is no, but many people still do every day, and this could be a small factor into why they are losing money. TradingView is a must for new traders, and you get that by inputting www.tradingview.com. TradingView is a web-based charting platform, and this is the best one out there. You don't have to download any extra programs or files onto your PC or have to sign up to any broker. You simply enter the site and you can start viewing charts and carrying out analysis. Just have to sign up and make an account. Okay, so for this example, we're going to be using the euro to the New Zealand dollar. But how do we get there? First, we click markets, then this drop down menu would appear. You click currencies, all these different pairs will be presented. We want to, for this example, use the euro to New Zealand dollar, and that's a minor pair. And so we click minor, and then we can then, after that, click the euro to New Zealand dollar. Before we continue, let's talk about the TradingView accounts. There are 4 different types of TradingView accounts. Listed in order of cost, you have the free account, the pro account, the pro plus account, and the premium account. The more you spend, the more features you have, but it's up to you to decide whether you need these additional features. With the free account, you get access to the charts, 1 chart per tab, 3 indicators per chart, 1 saved chart layout, 1 indicator template, and as well as this, you get to have a Forex Screener and a market replay function. But this is only on a daily and weekly time frame. And as well as this, you get to have a strategy tester. With the Pro account, you have no ads, and the main features are 2 charts per tab, 5 indicators per chart, 5 saved chart layouts, and infinite indicator templates. As well as that, you also have the Forex Screener, the market replay function, and there's no limit, you can do it whenever you want to do it. And you have the strategy tester. With the Pro Plus account, again, you have no ads, you have 4 charts per tab, 10 indicators per chart, 10 saved chart layouts, and infinite indicator templates. And as well as that, you have the Forex Screener, you have the market replay function, and you have the strategy tester. With the premium account, again, you have no ads, you have 8 charts per tab, 25 indicators per chart, infinite saved chart layouts, infinite indicator templates, and as well as that, you have the Forex Screener, and you have the market replay function, and you have the ability to test your strategies. Here, you have the chart for the euro to New Zealand dollar, and at the top, you have some basic options for changing how the chart looks. Here you have the time frame, which at the moment is 5 minutes, which basically means that each candlestick represents a period of 5 minutes. Here you have the way the chart is displayed. You can change it. At the moment it's candlestick. You can change it to a line chart or a bar chart or others. Here you can add another currency pair, let's say the pound to New Zealand dollar, and you can make it overlay to see the difference in price movement in the day, like the euro to New Zealand dollar may go up 2% and the pound to New Zealand dollar may go up 1%. Or you can have a separate axis for the pound to New Zealand dollar, and the axis would be here, and I'll show you the movement of the pound to New Zealand dollar separately from the euro to New Zealand dollar, and you can have them both on one chart. Here you have, it says a little FX, and it's for indicators and strategies such as the RSI, which would be added below the chart. Here is the fundamental metrics for stocks. It's not relevant for Forex, but it is relevant for stocks like Apple. Here you have indicator templates, which you can quickly add on to analyze the chart. You may or may not use this one, is the alerts. You can simply create alerts for, let's say, a breakout. If it breaks up above a previous resistance level or breaks below a previous support level. Here you have bar replay. This is only available for pro customers and above. And here you have the undo scroll button, which, let's say if you scroll backwards, it undoes that scroll, making you go back forward. This is the chart area. It's where you can see the price of the currency. When you add an indicator, it will tell you what indicator you've added here, and it should either be displayed on the chart or below the chart. You can change the chart settings by right clicking and selecting settings, and also by right clicking you can remove all indicators. The right side is very important for beginners. First of all, you have the watch list, which you can add currency pairs that you want to trade instead. And you can customize this watch list in a number of ways, such as by adding flags and changing the color of flags. Here you have the details box, and it tells you a bit about the currency pair that you're trading. Here you have the news, and it's usually from reputable sources such as Reuters. Here again you have to create alerts. Here you have the economic calendar, which tells you a bit about the upcoming events, but there's usually better sources for this type of information, such as investing.com, but it still gives a great snapshot for the day's trading. Sometimes there's a logo at the bottom which tells you that important news is about to be released from a certain country. So if it's a US logo, it will tell you that there's about to be US data about to be reported. The left side has important options that will help you draw lines, rectangles, pitchforks, and things like that. So let's understand it. Here we have the crosshair selector. When you click this, you can change your mouse cursor to a dot, an arrow, or a crosshair. I would say use a crosshair for beginners. You can draw trend lines and support and resistance levels quite easily using TradingView. First, you have to go to the line tools, and when you click it, you are presented with these options. These include things like trend lines, horizontal lines, parallel channels, and vertical lines. And the horizontal lines will be very useful to you if you want to draw support and resistance levels, as well as flat top and flat bottoms. TradingView also has loads of pitchfork variations, as you can see here. And they also have things like the Gann square, as well as Fibonacci retracement. And if you scroll down, you can also see Fibonacci spirals, Fibonacci channels, and Fibonacci wedges. They're all quite popular. When you click here, the brush tool, you can draw a freehand shape, or you can pick from one of the shapes provided by TradingView, such as a circle, a triangle, arc, curves, and rectangles. This will help you draw like support and resistance zones. Or you can click the text tab, which will let you write something. I would suggest that you use this to write something that will remind you, let's say, support and resistance zones and things like that. Here's the patterns tab, and it provides tools for marking chart patterns such as Gartley and ABCs. It also has other tools such as Elliott wave tools, which is very useful if you like to trade using waves and corrections. To calculate your risk to reward ratio, use this tab here, this one right here. As you can pull the tab up to your take profit and to your stop loss to quickly calculate your risk to reward ratio. And if you go to the settings by right clicking, you can enter your account balance and trade size, and this will show you your correct information for the risk to reward ratio. At the bottom you can see the Forex Screener, and this allows you to screen currencies on all sorts of different metrics, so you can find exactly the right one to trade in. And a huge variety of metrics are supported. TradingView also have a text notes tab, and this is really good because you can use it as a sort of diary of the day of you trading, as you can talk about your strategies and if it works or not, and you can keep a log of all your trades going forward. The Pine editor allows you to code. It allows you to change anything and everything, and even create your own strategies if you like. Testing your strategy is a must and is a key to being a profitable trader. So thankfully, TradingView have implemented a fully fledged strategy tester that allows you to test your strategies to see all sorts of data about their performance, and this will allow you to tweak your strategy to improve it, and over time it will slowly get better and better. If you head over to the trading panel, you can link your broker directly to TradingView. However, TradingView have a very limited amount of brokers that you can do this with, but many of these are top brokers, so it shouldn't really be that much of an issue. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And once again, I'll leave you guys with a quote. Never ever argue with your trading system.